Hello, my friends. I have some fun products to share with you today. One is a big bow, which we have the little bow, we have the mini bow. I'm coming out with all these bows. I don't even know the names of half of them. But I know we have mini and we have small and we have large. Now I think we have extra large, and this one is awesome. Then I also have a new box to share with you. Now this box is oh so cute. In fact, I'm going to show it to you right now. You can use it as a little ornament, and we are calling it Petal Box because, and you can see, it looks like little petals on the top, and I can't wait to share it with you because it has all these options on it. But this is just one cute little sample to share with you. Now, first, let's look at the big bow, the extra large bow, jumbo bow. I have no idea what we're calling it because I named it and I forgot. But here it is. Look at how massive it is. Now, of course, it'll still fit in your regular die cut machine. Don't worry about that. But look at how fantastic it is on our handle box. Here it is, and look at how big this is. Look at, I mean, just that is a big bow. Now, it also is great, and where's my sample? I know I have one with it in felt. Oh my goodness, look at this, in felt. Our wool felt that we sell on our website can be die cut with these dies, and look at that. Can you imagine if you like to wear your little girls to wear little bows in their hair or on a headband? Make it here, glue it to the headband, and you're ready to go. Isn't that exciting? Now here, oops, oh, I just dropped that one. Here is a fun one. Look at that, Happy Father's Day. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Here's one, look at how big that is on the side of the card. Oh, isn't that awesome? I love it, I love it. Now, oh, here's one more that I want to show you, fun. Now, I want you to see, and I love this sample. Who made this sample for me? Vanessa made this sample for me. Look at the difference, and I know this is a Christmas tree and it's not Christmas time right this second, but this is going to show you the differences in size. So we have the mini, we have the next one, we have the next one, and this is the jumbo. So now you can get an idea. Go to this card sample in the gallery to really see up close and personal the size differences on these bows. That will give you the idea of, oh yeah, now I get it. Okay, now that makes sense. But hello, isn't this adorable? Can you imagine this being your Christmas card? And it's so fun, it's just so poofy. I love it. Now, let's look at the Petal Box die. In the packaging, it looks like not much. Am I right? I'm right. I know. But what we're going to do is we're going to open it up, and I want to share with you all the fun things you're going to do with this one. Now, there's tons of samples. Go to our website to see the samples. We moved, and I lost them all. They sent them to me, and I lost them in the move, which is very sad. I only had that one little one. But here is the box itself, and this does fit in a standard die cut machine. Don't worry. Now, I have all of these drop-in options. You know, I like to say drop-ins because there's different options. So I can drop this one in when I run it through my die cut machine, or I can drop in this flower, or this smaller flower, or I could use those as layering pieces to layer flowers on. There's a cute little baby flower. There's also a layering die to layer. And when you run it through, this flower is actually my favorite one because it stays in the box itself. And look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that fun? Now, when you put this together, let me share with you, there's a couple little tips. Of course, you're always, whenever you see a box from me or anything like that, you're always going to add adhesive to the top of the tab. Adhesive to the top of the tab, and you're going to be good to go. Now, when you see this, I also want you to notice, look at these rounded score lines. Just a heads up, it is not normal for paper to want to curve at an angle, okay? Paper doesn't like to score at an angle. The fibers in the paper go up and down and horizontal. Yeah, horizontal and vertical. They like to score that way. They don't like to score rounded. So you're going to spend an extra second. It doesn't take long, but you're just going to spend an extra second to really score those on those curves. See how I'm scoring it on that curve right there? And then I'm going to score it on that curve right there. So I'm just kind of pinching it and I'm scoring it because it's already scored for me, but I'm making the paper go where I want it to. So there you can see. So now I'm going to add adhesive to the top of my tab. Right there and right there. Oops, let's get it off my secret weapon because we don't want to do that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come all the way around and we are going to adhere that right there. Press, give it a nice finger press, 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 press. Now we're going to put the bottom together. Now you can glue this if you want to. I usually don't because I just never do. And which way do you want to do it? Any way you want. Just get it closed. And I just pop that closed right there. Whoops. Get that. Come on. Sometimes I do this. There we go. There we go. There we go. So now it's going to stay closed. Let's get that little guy there. So now it's going to stay closed. Then I'm going to turn it upside down. Turn it right side up. And then I'm going to just start to play with this and manipulate this. So I'm going to push one corner, then the next corner, and all of a sudden it's going to do it all on its own. Okay. So you're going to push this one in the next corner. Whoops. Let's get that one. Go in the next corner. And then we're going to pop that next corner. And then it's just going to slowly start to go together. Ready? 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 Wait for it. Wait for it. There it is. See? And it's like all of a sudden it's like, whoa, it happened. So there is my cute little petal box. Isn't that adorable? Now on this one, we added some little strings so you could make it a cute little ornament if you wanted to. And then you can open it up and you can put little candies in there, put little Hershey Kisses in there. Perfect little treat box. Sometimes if you just want to drop, and then I'm just going to fold it up again. After you fold it once, it'll fold faster the second time. But can you imagine just giving somebody a little tiny treat? Just a little, hey, I'm thinking of you. Just a little gift like that. So much fun. Now, you don't have to use the flowers. Here, we didn't use the flowers at all. You get to decorate this any way you want. This panel die here comes in the kit as well. So you're getting quite a bit that you could just to decorate, and you could stack these. You can do anything you want like that. Look at that. Look how cute that would be. You could do a whole bunch. You could even make them ornaments. So much fun. Club members, of course, you get the club discount on these. Go check out all my wonderful little Petal Box samples on our website at thestampsoflife.com. I'm sorry I don't have them here in person, but we'll someday find them. Probably tomorrow, just because we taped this today. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.